Today I'm changing the oil on this 2020 Toyota Camry. Let's get it done. First, remove the maintenance cover to access the oil filter and drain plug. I like removing the oil filter first so excess oil drains while I move to the drain plug. Now loosen the drain plug and let the old oil fully drain out. Install the new oil filter. Next, reinstall the drain plug with a new gasket and torque it to 30 foot-pounds. Reinstall the maintenance cover and snug everything down. Down she goes. This 2020 Camry takes 4.8 quarts of oil. Finally, reset the maintenance reminder light and you're done. If this helped you out, like, comment, and subscribe for more Toyota DIY videos. And thanks for watching.